All right, in this video, we're going to be looking at users and permissions in Linux. We're going to be working on advanced piping commands. We're going to learn how to work with the pipe command and use the stream redirection and piping to filter the output of commands and obtain a more accurate output. Let's go ahead and begin. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use the pipe command to explore files. And as you see, I am in the Debian operating system. Let's go ahead and see what the find command is. That's what we're going to use for this one. Let's type in man find. And find searches for files in a directory hierarchy. Okay, and we got some switches here, -H, -L, and -P. The description is this manual page documents the GNU version of find. GNU find searches the directory tree rooted at each given starting point by evaluating the given expression from left to right. All right, let's go ahead and type Q to quit. And let's try to look for all of the manual pages. So let's find all the .page files in the user share help directory. So I'm going to type in find/user/share/help, and the name is going to be, oops, I need a space there, -name. It's going to be star.page. And you see my first typing error of the night. It is USR. There we go. So we found all of the manual pages. There are a lot of them from A to Z. Let's go ahead and pipe that. Let's combine this to the word count. All right, so I'm going to do it with mine. Yours might be a little different, and that is okay. Let's list how many lines there are in all the page files. So I'm going to get all the lines. I'm just going to type in the up key, all right, and let's pipe this into word count, and let's just list the lines. So I have 30,916 lines with all of my page files. And not too shabby. Let's go ahead and find out how many page files there are and which languages they are written in. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and do the same thing. Let's see, ls/user/share/help. Let's see what we got. We got a whole bunch of different languages for our help files. Let's go ahead and get a count of these. Let's do word count -L. We got 60 different languages. Wow. All right, next thing I want to do is I am going to switch to root. Let's do that by going to, excuse me, su root. All right. I'm now going to list all the files and their sizes. So I'm going to type in the ls command -lh with the capital R, and then list everything under the root directory. You see, we've got a lot here. This keeps going and going and going and going and going. All right, so that finished here. Next thing I want to do is I want to find out the size of the largest files in my system. Let's go ahead and combine that, the last thing here, and this I'm going to sort and filter on certain things with the awk command here. I'm piping this to awk. Okay, and I want to print 5th column. And I'm going to match on M, and I want to sort. And I want to get the very end with the line count of 1. All right, so it looks like my largest number, let's see. I did not get my largest number. Let me see if I can try that again, make sure my syntax is right here. ls-lhr awk. Oh, look at this. I cannot type. Tell you what. There we go. That's better. There we go. My largest file is 266 megabytes. Not bad. Let's go ahead and switch back to my account, Ian. All right, and I want to look at all the GNOME packages that were installed and print their names and versions. Using the cat command, I'm going to pipe that with the grep. All right, here we go. So I'm going to do cat /var log dpackage dot log, and then I'm going to grep for GNOME. Looks like I've got nothing that matches GNOME here. Well, let's see what I have in cat var log dpackage.log. I must not have installed anything on here. Look at that. Let's do cd/var /log. cd/var/log. Let's just take a look at my dpackage.log, see if I've got anything in here. Look at that, it is size 0. Let's take a look at the dpackage log.1. Let's try that. I got some data in there. dpackage1.log. Or was it, log.1. Here we go. dpackage.log.1. There we go. So I do have some files here with the GNOME name. Plenty of files, actually. All right, let's keep going here. Let's see what I got. I've got some packages. Looks like that's version 3.3.8. This is version 5.10, 5.10. We got a lot of good stuff here. Let's keep going. Let's do the same thing, except this time I'm going to look for stuff that shows installed. And then here's everything that is currently installed on my Debian system. And then the last thing I can do is, let's say I only want to print out the 5th column. I can do that with my awk command. So I'm going to pipe this to awk. And I'm going to go to print column 5. And then there we go. I get my installed packages in Debian only showing the 5th column. All right, that is the end of this lab. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.